This is the 2-bedroom. Very nice layout because as soon as you walk in, you have the kitchen. There's the refrigerator, and you have a lot of counter space. That's your living room, and you have access to the patio, which is very nice and clean. And I think this is an end unit, so you have more privacy. See, that's the kitchen looking at from the living room. And then this is the stairwell to the second level. So this is more like a townhouse. There's the bedroom. There's a lovely skylight up there. And then this is a closet to the first bedroom. Large closet. Second bedroom. You also have tons of sunlight. There's your patio, your corner patio. That's the closet for this room. Obviously this room is smaller than the other one. It's a regular size closet, and that's the hallway and the stairs. I'm gonna go downstairs. This is the hallway.